Hello viewers, this is 2023 National Common Entrance Examination past question part 3, and in the first question that we have here, which is question number 13, we have if a packet of sugar weighs 1.38 kg, what is the weight of 18 packets? Okay, so for us to solve this question, since one packet weighs 1.38, for us to get the weight of 18 packets, we are going to multiply 1.38 by what? By 18, which is 138. First of all, we will ignore the decimal point. Multiply by 18, okay, which is 8 multiply 8 will give us 64. I will write 4 and carry what? 6. 8 multiply 3 will give us what? 24. 24 plus 6 will give us 30. I will write 0 and carry 3. 8 multiply this will give us 8 plus 3. It will give us 11. Then I will move to 1. 1 multiply 8 is 8. 1 multiply 3 is 3. 1 multiply 1 is what? 1. Okay. So when I add this thing up, we will have this. So next thing that I will do now is this. We have two decimal here, but there is no decimal here. So I will count the decimal point, which is 1, 2. The answer will become 24.84. So answer to this question is 24.84. We move to question number 14. In question number 14, we are asked to find the HCF of 108, 27 and what? 9. Since what we have here is objective question, we can easily obtain the answer by dividing everything by the smallest number. Because if you look at this, you observe that 9 can divide 9, 9 can divide 27, 9 can divide 108. So instead of wasting time, we will now pick 9 as the answer. We move to question number 15. In question number 15, we are asked to subtract 2.5 from what? 4 whole number 1/3. And for us to do that, we need to change this to what? To improper fraction. And when we change this to improper fraction by multiplying 3 multiplied by 4, 12 plus 1, it will give us 13 over what? Over 3 minus 5 over what? Over 2. So when you find the LCM is 6. 6 divided by 3 will give us what? Will give us 2. 2 multiply this will give us 26. Minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 multiply this will give us what? 15. So if you subtract this, it will give us 11 over 6. Or you can change it to improper fraction. It will become 1 whole number 5 over what? Over 6. So answer to this question is option C. We now proceed to question number 16. In question number 16, we are given 12 minus 8 is equal to x, and we are is equal to 8. 12 minus x is equal to 8, and we are asked to find the value of x, which is 8 is equal to 12 minus what? Minus x. When I take this x to the other side, it will become x is equal to 12. When I take this 8 to the other side, it will be minus 8, which is equal to what? 4. So answer to this question is what? Option A. We proceed to question number 17. In question number 17, what we have here is if Ade spends 5 over 12 of his pocket money on books, what fraction of it remains? For us to do this, the best way to do it is that denominator. Subtract numerator from the denominator over the original denominator. So when you do it that way, it will give us 7 over 12. So answer to this question is what? 7 over what? 12. We now proceed to the last question that we have in this part. They said a class consists of 36 girls and the what? 18 boys. Find the ratio of boys. They mention boys first, so I will write 18. Then is to what? Is to girls, and the girls according to this question is 36. So whatever I do to this side, I will do it to the other side. So 2 can go. 2 divide this, it will give us 9. 2 divide this, it will give us what? 18. 3 will go. 3 divide this. Okay, 9. Let me just divide it with 9 by 9. 9 divide 9 is 1. 9 divide 18 is what? Is 2. So answer to this question is what? 1 is to 2, which is option A. Thank you for watching my video, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. so that you will get notification when I upload new video. And if you are watching us from TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, you give my page a follow. Share to your friends and well wishers so that they will benefit as well. Thank you. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.